Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can create free online store with Canva. So you heard it that right. You don't need Shopify or Wix or any other e-commerce platform. Uh, Canva gives all the basic to set up beautiful product site. So if you are making some complex e-commerce platform, you can go for Shopify, Wix because they have advanced feature and tools. But if you are creating some basic website for just to uh, make a store, you can use the Canva. So set up a website in Canva. Let's first log in into your Canva account. Once you are in, go to search bar and type for website. Now I will just do that and search for website. Now if you want to go into some specific like clothing, I will just search cloth and it will give me some templates, but you can create from scratch as well. The website you can create from scratch, but right now to show for this tutorial I will use template because it is easy and it is more convenient for me. But if you want to create from scratch, just click on the create design and choose the website from here, and you can start from scratch. You can create a website, business website, portfolio website, event website, and if you want more option, you can just click on this arrow, so you will get that. But right now I'm using the template. Now I will just choose this one because I think this is good for my clothing brand. Now click on the customize the template and we are ready to design it. Now let's customize your own store. Now we are inside the editor, as you can see here, and this is only one page. Imagine this is as an website. What I will do is just I will customize it. For example, I want to make this for women's. uh, okay, I will choose a different for this one. I'll choose this website to do that. Double click on that. So this is perfect for my uh, tutorial, and I will use this. Now if you want to customize the text, just simply click on the text and you can add your own description of the product. Now for example, I want to say I want to sell some different kind of shirt. What I will do, just for example, if you have already, like if you have photo of that product, you can upload it. But right now for this tutorial I will search hoodie png just to show how you can upload the that image into the Canva. Just click on the save and go to and drag into Canva and upload it over here. So it will basically upload this image into the Canva and drag into here. Now you will say like there is a background. Now I'm using premium version, so I can remove from BJ from here. But if you are using free version, what you can do is just simply go into background remove website, background remover, and from there you can remove that image by uploading over here. Just simply upload. It support PNG, so make sure you have PNG and JPG in format. So I have added that hoodie, and what I will just do is resize it. Now next edit is to you can header text and subtext to match your brand. For example, this I want to change this black hoodie and change the description if you want. And there is the hoodie is going. Okay, I will just reposition it, and if you want to change the header you can do that as well. And scroll down to find product section, as you can see here, this one. And for example, let's say I'm selling like this hoodie. Now I need to have the button of just clicking. After clicking, it will take me to the uh, payment interface. So basically this part is purely where you can customize and add text, add the images in your website, but you cannot completely function with it. You cannot add payment method in the Canva. You don't have that feature in the Canva, but what you can do is you can use Stripe for that. What you have to do is just simply open the new tab and search for Stripe and make an account and log in with that account. As you can see, I go to dashboard. So it will take me to the dashboard. Create a free account. You have to create a business account with free and click on the after coming on the website. In the left side you will get to see this product catalog. Just simply click on this product catalog, so where you can add your product details. Now after clicking on the product catalog, in the right corner you will get to see this create product, where you can create a product. Just simply click. Now here you have to add name. For example, my product name is black hoodie, and I will just copy it and put it over here. Now if you talk about, if you want to add description, just add it over here. And if you want to upload images, you can do that too. Right now I have downloaded that picture. I will just put here. So it support only PNG and JPG format and WebP as well. So I will just go back and search for black hoodie with white background. So I'm using, for this tutorial, you have to make you have to collect pictures, so the your product looks in a great way and it should attract the viewer. So I have downloaded 2 pictures and I will just put it over here. So you can add that. Now if you want to choose recurring payment method, you can do that, but one-off, I will suggest that you should choose one-off. You can find package, tire, and uses based on pricing option. So it's monthly based payment, billing period, and it is amount. So what I will do is, I'm selling this hoodie in $10. You can choose from here, you can choose the currency. I will use USD, but if you are using some different kind of currency, you can choose that too. Now in the preview section you will get to see this estimated total based on pricing, model, unit, quantity, and tax. So if I choose 4 units, so it is around $40, and tax, start collecting tax. If you want to set up, you can just click on the setup. It is automatic, so it will set up the tax. So I don't think so we need right now, but just let's see. Automate tax on your transaction, monitor, register, and you can do all of those things. You can monitor, register your GST, whatever your country in. You can add the documents, so you can add and register that too. But in this tutorial I will just skip that part. Now including tax in price, you should add that too. If your location is USA, I will just one off. Click on the add product. Now, so as we can see here, we have created a successful product. Now just simply click over here. From here you can see all the product related details, the metadata, the description, the product ID, and if you want to edit product, you can do that. Now we just need to copy the payment link. What you have to do is just simply go into left side, just click on the payment. Now in the payment section you have to click on the payment link. Now you have to create a payment link for new. Create a test payment link. If you want, just click on the new. I will just click on the new button. Now I have to select the product over here. I have only created one product, so I will choose only one product which I have created earlier and select that. Now let customer adjust the quantity. I will tick mark between 0 to 99. So if you want to add another product, you can just simply click on the add another product. So if you want to recommend your other products, you can do that as well. As you can see here, you can offer optional product. Customer can add their orders at checkout. So collect the tax automatically. You don't need to create do that stuff. Just simply click on the create link. So it will create a simple link, and as you can see here, just click on the buy button. So it will give you the code of that. Now if you want a card, you can just select the card, and if you want a button, you can just simply click the button, copy that code which Stripe has given in the top. If you want a card, you can see that this kind of interface will appear. This is a preview, and if you choose the button, the preview of the button is this. So save changes and the copy code. Now you have to go back to the Canva, where you have to search for button under the elements tab. Now just go into Canva. Now as you can see here, we have already a button in the page. We don't need to add button. Or if you don't have a button, what you can do is just simply click in the elements and search for button. Now elements, photos, you can buy button. You can go in the graphics and choose which one likes you, which one suits on your theme. So right now I don't need to select any button, so what I will do, I will just select this one. Now from here you have to select the text or that black button. Now click the three dots or more. Now from here you can for example, I will just select the text. Now what I will do, I just click on the edit link, or you can just click on the more, and from here you can edit the link as well. So enter that link. So if this code doesn't work, what you have to do is just simply copy this link which we payment links provide. Copy that link and back to the Canva and click paste it over here and hit the done button. So as you can see here, whenever someone clicks on this button, it will redirect it to this interface where the user or buyer can enter their payment details, and they can just simply buy that product. So now let's publish your own online store. What you have to do is just simply click uh, so right now I'm not able to get that publish button over here. What you can do is just simply click on the share, and from here if you get the publish or website, what you have to do is just simply you cannot publish this website as you are not member of this team. What you have to do, just go back and click on the website, and now as you can see here, you will get the publish website. Now click on the publish website. It is preparing your design, so just wait a minute and just view website. Click on the view website. Now so this is a basic website. Click on the buy product, so it will take you to this payment overview. So that's it for today's video. We have created a basic website for online store, or what you can do is you can create page for the specific product. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumb and up, subscribe for more tutorials like this. If you got a question or want more to cover something specific in the next video, drop your ideas in the comment. I will read them. So thanks for watching.